Hey guys, Vintage here. This is an Edison Box Fan. I think it's called the Thin and Light or something. Got it from a thrift store a while ago. It's pretty decent shape. Sides are really nice actually. The top's got a bit of surface patina and some tape. Got the GE style handle and the metal back grill, which makes me think it's made with Toastmaster cord. You can see here it has 2 speeds and 2 off positions. See, that's off and that's also off. It's very odd. So we will go to, well, if I could read it, what I believe here is high. Pretty strong. It rattles a little, but I think that's just, yeah. Although on carpet, I don't know if it would stand up. The low speed is actually pretty nice. It's got a nice whine to it. Definitely couldn't sleep with it though. Too many excess noises from it. Needs some tweaking and then it would probably be good for sleep. I think this is the first Edison fan in my collection as well, now that I'm thinking about it. Blade set almost looks like a 3rd gen Lakewood, which I don't have to show you. But yeah, that is the Edison Box Fan.